Okay, my friend, Will here over at the XAUUSD.com, and in this video I'm going to show you explain to you how to use the service with the levels I send out to you every day via email. So I'm going to show you how to use the live stream, okay, how the signals work, and first thing we're going to go over the actual spreadsheet that I send you out each and every day. So please pay attention. I will try and speak as slow as possible. I do have an Irish accent, so sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to understand if I speak too fast. So in this video, I will try and speak as slowly as possible. Please pay attention because I'm getting bombarded with emails regarding how it actually works. Even though in each email I send out every day so far, I've said this instructions as simply as possible. So in this video, I'm going to try and explain it in layman terms so everyone can understand. It's very, very easy, and if you pay attention, you should grasp this very, very easy. And if you can't, really, you shouldn't actually be trading the markets, okay? Because I try to make this as simple as possible. Okay, so let's get into the video. First thing, we're going to go over the spreadsheet. I'm going to go over the terminology in the spreadsheet and what I mean by everything there. Okay, so pay attention and let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the live stream. We'll go over that in the second part. Okay, so here we go. This is the spreadsheet that you receive via email each and every day. Okay, I'm going to explain each term here. Okay, right. So obviously currency asset, that's the trade that's the currency pair you're going to be looking to trade. Okay, buy and sell should be very simple here. Okay, we're only looking for sell signals on the dashboard, and if it's a buy, we're only looking for buy signals. Okay, entry level. Okay, now, we don't have to look for signals bang on this level. Okay, because one of the things you will never ever achieve in trading is timing the market perfect. Okay, and I'm going to explain this now. Sorry about the room phone rang there. Okay, so where were we? Okay, the entry level. Okay, very, very basic. We're looking for trades around this area. Okay, right? We're not looking to take trades bang on that area. This is why I've got the pip range. Okay, so I'm going to explain this very, very, very simple here. Okay, so please pay attention. Okay, the entry level, if the pip range is 20 pips, it means you can start looking for signals 20 pips before the entry level. Okay, so you can see today the Euro USD entry level is 112.2. Okay, so that means when price goes up to 112, you can flick over to the dashboard and you can start looking for signals on the 15-minute and 30-minute time frames only. Okay, and pay attention, any signal that appears above this 112.2 area, you can take any signal that appears above it. Okay, the pip range is only for below. Okay, so when price reaches 112, you can start looking for signals. Okay, and take any signal above that there. Okay, the buffer zone is for that sole reason. Okay, it's very, very, very simple. Okay, because we're not going to time the market. Okay, we want sometimes signals can happen a little bit before the actual entry level, and sometimes they can happen well after. So I have the buffer zone so we can look for signals just before the entry level. These are the levels that I'm looking for. Best levels that I'm looking to trade at on that day, okay, around those areas. Okay, it's very, very basic. Okay, so that is the entry level and the pips range. Okay, stop loss pips. Okay, like I said, we're never going to time the market perfect, so wherever you enter the market, okay, wherever you get the signal, and we'll go over the actual signals in a minute. Wherever you get the signals, okay, your stop loss is going to be 60 pips or whatever is written in here. Okay, so say you got a signal at 112.400. Okay, the entry was 112.400. It means your stop loss is going to be 60 pips. Okay, so 60 pips will be 113. Okay, very, very simple terminology in trading. Okay. Take profit, okay, and obviously again, take profit's always going to be the same. Okay, we just discussed that pip range. Okay, so I just discussed a sell trade and a buy trade. You can see today that on the British pound USD that we're looking to buy the market around about an entry level at 13300. Okay, you look over the pip range is 10 pips. So that means when the market drops down to 400, we can start looking for signals anything below that. Okay, if it was 30 pips or 40 pips away, it's too far away from the entry level. We want it, like I said, sometimes we're not going to be able to time the market. Sometimes trades can happen a little bit before the entry level, and sometimes they can happen well after. That means if it continues to drop down below, any signal underneath 13300 is valid, we can take. Okay, but we can only start looking for trades 10 pips on, in this terminology today, 10 pips before the entry level on the the British pound USD. Okay, hope it's should be very simple to understand. Okay, again, yeah. So best trading session. Okay, is the next. Okay, so this is just the best markets to trade. So the best sessions. Okay, so you can see the Euro USD today. Euro and US session only you should be looking to trade in. Okay, ones that are saying all are okay to trade in all sessions. Okay, signal time frame. Okay, that means we're only looking to take signals that occur on the dashboard on the 15 minute and 30 minute charts. Okay, so 15 minute and 30 minute. Okay, that's again very simple. Okay, one more thing is this spreadsheet is valid till the end of the next day Asian session. So I send this out before the Euro session starts. So we have the Euro session. So today we're going to have the Euro session, the US session, and then tomorrow morning's Asian session. Okay, because Euro session, US session, and then the next Asian session. Okay, because a lot of people are in Asia like myself and Australia, New Zealand. Okay, they can't really trade. If I'm sending this out and start just before the Euro session starts today, they've already missed today's Asian session. So these levels are valid till the end of the next Asian session. Okay, till I send out the next email. Okay, so hope that's self-explanatory. Okay, we're going to look at the stream now. Okay, so don't pay attention. Okay, when you're trading these levels, do not pay attention to the left hand of the dashboard. Okay, that is only for the free live stream. That is for people who want to trade the free method there. Okay, the only thing we're looking at, because I've already give you the high probability trading levels for this trading day, so you only need to look at those levels. Yeah, so I've already give you the levels. I've already done the trend analysis when I'm doing my analysis and looking at those levels. Okay, so some of my trades are counter trend, some are with the trend. The only thing when you're trading those levels is looking at this dashboard here. Okay, on the right hand side. Now I'm just going to pull it up on my actual MT4 and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so you can see here on the charts. Okay, we're getting a 15-minute signal on the Euro CAD. Okay, so say at the Euro CAD today and I was looking at a signal, all you need to do is open up your charts or whatever trading platform you're using. Open up your 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute chart, and now this is very important. Okay, so you've got the chart, the current candle is open. Okay, so we'll just zoom in, the current candle. Okay, this is the current candle. Okay, for a signal to be valid, okay, very important, for a sell trade to be valid, you have to wait till the candle closes. Okay, so if this was a valid signal, you wait till the candle closes, and then if the signal has stayed on the dashboard, okay, if the signal stays on the dashboard, okay, this here stays at the end of the current 15-minute candle, you can enter the position. Okay, so do not just blindly enter. You see a signal here, okay, it says sell, it's at the level. Wait for the candle to close, okay, then enter the trade. Okay, so a lot of times these trades can come and go, they can disappear, okay? The only way a trade is valid if it's still there when the candle closes, and this will stay open, it will stay sell. So if it's a valid signal, this here sell signal will stay there for one candle, okay, one more candle, okay? And that shows you it's confirmed, okay? Same as the 30-minute charts. Always wait till the current candle closes, okay? Very, very simple. Do not just blindly enter the trade. Wait for the signal to be confirmed. The signal is only confirmed on the close of the candle. I'll get some water here, okay? Now, again, just you don't need to, you only need this dashboard. You could have two screens, the dashboard on YouTube open, and when a signal is approaching, simply open up your charts. You could set an alert at the level on the charts, set an alert, so you get an alert, you hear a beep from your MT4 or whatever trading platform you're using, and set the alert, come over, okay, it's at the level, it's within the buffer range, you can start looking for a trade, okay? And that's it. Again, wait for the candle to close. Now, once you're in a position, okay, it's very, very important to manage the position, okay? So, say you've got a trade, it's triggered, close of the candle, you've entered the trade, you put in your stop loss with 60 pips, your stop loss is 60 pips. Okay, what you want to do next is, once the trade has gone your way 15 to 20 pips in profit, close 50% of your position and move your stop loss to your entry price, okay? And then let the rest run, okay? So another way you can manage the position is, once you've closed 50%, moved your stop loss, and it goes another 20 pips in your favor, you could close another 50% of the open position and let the rest run to the end of the day. And that's very, very important. All positions to be closed at the end of the day, okay? If you're trading the Euro-US session, close them at the end of the US session, okay? So if you've got a trade in the Euro session, you can trade that all the way through. Okay, so if you're trading again, I got interrupted by the doorbell there. Okay, so if you're trading the Euro and US session, okay, you can make sure all your trades are closed by the end of the US session, okay? And you can, even if you're trading the Euro session, you can close your position at the end of the start of the US session, okay? It's up to you. If you're trading the Asian session, make sure all your positions are closed before the next European session, okay? So I've read the rules out in yesterday's email, and if you're already a member of the service, you would have received the PDF version of the rules. Okay, if you're in the free trial, the rules will be in the email that you have received. Sorry. Okay, so that's the rules. Please rewatch this video. Look at the rules that I've sent you in the emails. Okay, the instructions. This is very, very basic terminology. You should grasp this pretty quickly. It may take you 1 or 2 days just to understand everything, but after that you should be able to do this no probs. Okay, it's very, 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 very basic. I've tried to explain it as simple as possible in this video. Okay, because I do get bombarded with emails, and on the live stream people texting me there. I wish I could sit there all day and answer your questions. Okay, I wish I could sit and answer your emails there all day that you're sending me, but I've got other things to do. I've got family, I've got life to live, so I try to make this as simple as possible for you to understand. Okay, and I do try to, if I'm on the live stream, I do try to answer your questions, but a lot of the time it's the questions that I'm getting asked is people simply aren't reading the instructions correctly. So please rewatch this video, and yeah, happy trading. Look forward to hearing your results. Will over to FXAUUSD.com.